Satnam, welcome to this channel. Today we'll be practicing meditation for power and control on our own caliber. Let's bring the hands together. We'll tune in with Adi Mantra. Inhale deeply, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, allow the shoulder blades to glide down the back. Another slow, deep inhale. And gently lift your gaze up to the brow point. And as you exhale, gently push the chin towards the back of the neck, engaging in the neck lock. And we'll take another deep, slow inhale through the nose. Pausing here, retain the breath as you bring your full awareness to the present moment. And slowly exhale. We tune in with Adi Mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Let's inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Inhale deeply. Suspend the breath as we acknowledge and bow to the lineage of teachers that came before us and to the wisdom that resides within. And exhale, Sat Nam. So this meditation for caliber has three various components: mudra, breath, and eye focus. Watch the tutorial if you haven't done it. We begin the practice bringing the thumb tips to the Mercury mound, wrapping the other fingers around, placing the second row of knuckles at the level of the heart center, and gaze at the tip of the nose. We begin the alternate breath, inhaling 4 counts through the nose, exhaling 4 counts through the mouth, and then inhaling through the mouth, same 4 counts, and exhaling through the nose. And let's begin. Inhaling 4 through the nose. Exhale 4 through the mouth. Inhale for 4 through the mouth. Exhale for 4 through the nose. Gaze at the tip of the nose, keep the neck lock, and continue. Keep steady. Gaze at the tip of the nose, squeezing the thumbs. Keep going. Caliber is defined as when your own presence works, your capacity to project your identity clearly, to withstand the pressure, to remain unshaken in the face of challenges. Caliber could be mental, emotional, spiritual, and in leadership. Keep going, alternating the breath. 4 counts through the nose, 4 counts through the mouth, 4 counts from the mouth, 4 counts through the nose. Gaze at the tip of the nose. Keep going. Our mental caliber expresses when we are able to maintain neutrality in our mind. Our emotional caliber is when we're able to act from the heart and not be swayed by the emotions. Our spiritual caliber is when we're acting from our soul rather than the ego. And the caliber of leadership is when our presence inspires others and holds space for all. Last few minutes, stay steady. Now take a deep inhale through the nose. Retain the breath and stretch the arms up overhead. Spread the fingers wide, stretch the spine, close down the eyes, lift the gaze up to the brow point. Exhale, we're going to do that twice more. Inhale, reach the arms, stretch the spine, lift yourself up. Engage the mula bandh, contracting the pelvic muscles, rectum, sex organ, draw the navel in, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, and one more time, inhale deeply. Almost you're like trying to levitate, squeeze the spine, reach up, draw the energy up, engage the root lock. And exhale, relax the arms down, let them rest in your lap or on your knees. Gently close your eyes, go within for a moment, as if marinating in this energy, allowing it to permeate to the deepest part of your being, to every cell. And when you're ready, take a slow, deep inhale and exhale. And gently flutter open your eyes. Float your hands to the prayer mudra. We'll close our practice with chanting Sat Nam. Inhale deeply. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to take this on for a 40-day sadhana. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Sat Nam.